oven cook. What I'm going to do today is a little bit of a mix match of a meal. So what I've got is some Heck 97% pork sausages, some smoky bacon, some asparagus, garlic, olive oil, rosemary, some Italian garlic seasoning, and I'm going to do some roast potatoes. I ain't got these out here, so I'm going to cut up some potatoes and boil them and then roast them, and with some nice cauliflower and broccoli. So what we do, we'll get cracking. What have we got? A little bit of fry light. I'm not sure how much fat's going to come out of these sausages. Hopefully not that much. These are from our garden. In there. Lovely. Woody bit off the end. Take these out. Some olive oil. Asparagus in. Some garlic. Splash of lemon. Okay, so what I'm going to do is grab one of our sausages. So it's going to have to be two of these. Two of these in. I'm going to split the sausage. Pull it in half. And basically you're going to wrap the bacon around it. Be a bit tricky, but it'll be worth it. Sort of like that, and I'll do the rest of them. We'll put these in the tray, and by that time we'll have the potatoes ready as well. So I'm going to put it into the oven together, keep an eye on it, and see how we go. So we'll see you soon. Okay, so these are done, already in the tray, or glass dish. So we're going to put these in. The potatoes are done, so I'm going to get the glass dish out, spin in the oven with some oil in it, and get the potatoes done. So see you soon. More over the top. Loads of garlic, as you do. Bit of rosemary. And bits of this garlic Italian seasoning, really nice. This is garlicky as well, so I'll give it some of that. Get those in the oven, and we'll get these in the oven, and then we'll get some veg on. So see you soon. Okay, so turn the potatoes over, they're looking really lovely. I'm going to put this in now, and we're going to keep an eye on this. I'm going to put it on for about 15 minutes, and then we'll pull it out and have a look, because I don't want it to burn too much. So we'll get this in now.
One eternity later.
Potatoes, lovely. Bacon wrapped pork sausages with asparagus, superb. So let's get a plate, have a plate up, and 'cause I'm starving. Okay, so there we go. We've got our pork sausages, asparagus. Asparagus was done with lemon and garlic. Pork sausages, and then wrapped in bacon. Potatoes, which are boiled, and then put in a dish with olive oil, rosemary, garlic, and garlic Italian seasoning, and some lovely broccoli and some cauliflower. So this smells really good, obviously, because it does. And I'm going to give this to Mrs. Urban, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys, really appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one.